When we have a concussion or a whiplash, our brain bumps against our skull. That sudden impact can cause a tiny bit of bleeding, or it can cause a lot of inflammation. It can affect your balance. You can give you light sensitivity. It can give you motion sensitivity. It can give you vertigo, headaches, nausea, tension in the muscles of your neck. You don't have to be knocked out to have a concussion. Often, when we have a head injury, even if we know it was a concussion, we want to go back to work. We want to go back to living our life. And yet we have balance problems, we have chronic aches and pains that originated with these injuries. We adapted to the injury, yes, but we feel the consequences of the injury today. The good news is that it's never too late to improve the organization of our head and neck, to treat these long, unresolved injuries. The Feldenkrais lessons in this special series will help you to improve these fundamental aspects of yourself, and I hope you will join me.